In this video, I'll show you how to change the address in your MailChimp footer quickly and correctly. This is useful if your business address has changed, if you made a mistake while setting up your account, or if you simply need to keep your email footer compliant and up to date. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go inside MailChimp and how to save the updated footer content. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign into your MailChimp account using your normal login details. Once you're inside your account, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Audience. This is the area where MailChimp stores your audience settings, subscriber details, and email footer information. Next, you'll need to open the audience settings. To do that, look for the More Options menu, which is usually the three dot icon. Click that menu and then choose Audience Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you to the main settings page for your audience. Now scroll down until you find the Email Settings section. Inside this area, look for Required Email Footer Content. This is the section that controls the legal and contact details that appear in the footer of your emails. If your address needs to be changed, this is exactly where you do it. Once you locate it, click Edit next to Required Email Footer Content. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you can update your footer information. Find the address field and enter the new address you want to display in your MailChimp footer. Make sure the information is accurate, complete, and formatted the way you want it to appear in your email campaigns. After you've made the changes, double-check everything carefully. This is important because the footer is visible to your email recipients and you want the address to be correct. When you're happy with the updated information, click Save Footer Content to confirm the change. MailChimp will now update your footer details and the new address will be used in your email footer going forward. If you send campaigns after this, they should reflect the updated information automatically. And that's it, you've now changed the address in your MailChimp footer. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and keeping this information updated is an important part of managing your email marketing properly. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more MailChimp tips and simple software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.